In order to get data into PowerQuery from the existing Excel file, so here we've got the Excel file and a whole bunch of data, the data first has to be in something called a table form. To create a table form, you just highlight the data and you go insert, and over here you've got pivot tables, and then you'll see a button here called table, or as indicated there, you can use the shortcut of Control T. So when I click on table, Excel just checks that it's the correct area. It's always useful just to make sure it's covered everything, and it specifies that it's got headers. When you say OK, it should look something like this. Now that it's in this format, you can easily get it into PowerQuery, because if you go to the PowerQuery buttons now, you'll see one of the options here says from table, and all you need to do is click on it and it will take that data, open it up in PowerQuery and bring it through. And now you can start working on it as you've got the data sitting there, now sitting into PowerQuery.